Good morning to all. This is for class 7th GK. Class 7th we had completed your chapter number 17. Now today I am going to start your chapter number 18, that is maths quiz. So in this the question related to the maths are there and you have to take the correct answer. So first question is who is called the prince of mathematics? Correct answer is A. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Now second, who was the inventor of the mechanical calculator? Second correct answer is B. Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal. B part is correct. Now third question. What is the other term of for describing zero? Correct answer is A. Not. Third A is correct. Not. Fourth one. To which country did Pythagoras, a philosopher and mathematician, belongs? Correct answer is A. Greece. Fourth A is correct answer. Greece. Fifth. Who was the writer of Arithmetica, an ancient Greek text on mathematics? Correct answer is B. Diophantus. Fifth B is correct answer. Diophantus. Now sixth. Who was the inventor of zero? Sixth correct answer is A. Aryabhata. 6 A is correct answer. Now see 7. A type of mathematics in which the letter and symbol are used to represent the quantities. Correct answer is B. Algebra. 7th B is correct. Algebra. Now 8th. Which award is presented in the field of mathematics? Correct answer is A. Abel Award. Abel Prize. 8th A is correct. Abel Prize. 9th. What is the name of the triangle in which all sides are of different length? Correct answer is B. Scalene triangle. 9th B is correct. Scalene triangle. 10th. To which language does algebra belong etymologically? Correct answer is A. Arabic. 10th A is correct. Arabic. Now coming on to next page, page number 32. Here the topic is by post. Everyone know about post. So speed post is one of the fast and secure postal service by which we can send our letter, packets or document from one place to another. And it is also safe. And it take less time. Speed post take less time to deliver our packets, documents or letter. So now here Ravi and his friends are sending their speed post to the friends living in the different states. Now the next post, that is e-post. So Indian Post has launched its major innovation, e-post. It enables customer to send the message to any address in India with the combination of electronic transmission and physical delivery. Each individual is given an e-post ID based on their geographical address. Mail would be received at this e-post ID through electronic mode. At this identified e-post center, the mails would be downloaded, print and sent out for the delivery to the address. Current tariff for e-post is ₹10 per page of A4 size. Now Indian Post had launched its major innovation, that is e-post. How e-post works? It enabled the customer to send his message to any address in India with the combination of the electronic transmission and physical delivery. Each individual has an ID according to their geographical area. So the mail would be received at the ID only through the electronic mode. Then the mail will be downloaded, printed and sent to the particular address. And the current charge for this is 10 rupee per A4 size paper. Now on next page, page number 33. Now complete the following statement. The first postal stamp penny black was issued in the year. Correct answer is 1840. 1840. Second, Indian Postal Department has dash pin zones. Correct answer is 9. Correct answer is 9. Third, the third digit of the pin number represent the district. Correct answer is district. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T. District. Fourth, current rate for e-post service is rupees dash per page per addressee. Correct answer is 5. Fifth, the A in APO stand for. Correct answer is Army. A-R-M-Y. Army. Now, next, given here are the name of some postal zone. Write their corresponding zone number in the box. You have to write the correct zone number. So first one is Uttarakhand. Correct zone number is 2. Second one is Tamil Nadu. Correct zone number is 6. Then third one is Jharkhand. Correct zone number is 8. Fourth one is FPO. Correct zone number is 9. So now here your chapter is completed. Now next chapter I will explain you in next video. Till then, thank you.